Hello, everyone, and welcome to Small Worlds. Small Worlds is a museum featuring moving miniature attractions of a space center, airport, Evangelion, and more. Today, I will take you on a journey through its incredible exhibits, and you can be the judge if you think it's a must visit destination in Tokyo. Here's a look at the pricing. We purchased our tickets in advance before our trip online. You could do the same. Small Worlds is a place where creativity and craftsmanship come to life. With 8 themed areas, this museum offers a fascinating mix of fantastical and historical scenes, from bustling cityscapes to enchanting fantasy worlds. There's something for everyone. Each area in Small Worlds tells its own story. You can explore historical landmarks, witness miniature space launches, and even marvel at moving vehicles. The level of detail is truly astounding, with tiny people, buildings, and landscapes that just come to life. First up, we'll check out the Space Center.
阿波罗太空中心将从11点开始，每隔1小时发射子星5号。
Next, we will explore the Global Village. There were some signs for a Sailor Moon exhibit, but it looked like it wasn't open during our visit. However, I did find this area that had small eateries. Next up is the Kansai International Airport. Last up is the Evangelion section. This is based on a popular Japanese mecha anime from the 1990s. They had this really cool area that you could walk through that showed you all the folks that were working hard and making all these exhibits come to life. And that's going to be a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did enjoy my visit to Small Worlds, and if you're going to be visiting Tokyo and it's raining outside and you're looking for something to do, this is a great place to spend about 2 to 3 hours. Lots to see and do, little details here and there, and you should check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks as always for watching, and have a good one.